have taken back control of my life. I have taken back control of my revenue. I've come to realize that I've been building somebody's empire for all these years, neglecting mine. So I've taken back control. And today I'm building my own legacy. Yeah, I found this awesome solution and I want to share with you. This solution is actually a simple tried solution. It's a method that is used by everyday people, guys, across the globe to make extra revenue and to also take back control of their lives. Yeah, I want you to watch this video and see how myself and my colleagues are using the same simple method to change their lives. Watch it and be inspired.
Hi guys, my name is Deborah. I'm a former finance officer. I'm originally from the UK, but I now live in Jamaica.
Hi, my name is Matilda. I am originally from Ghana and currently based in the UK. I'm a nurse by profession and a new mom.
Hi, I am Carol. I live in the UK. I am a widow of 8 years, a grief recovery method specialist and data analyst.
I'm Robbie, a registered nurse in USA, originally from Ghana.
I'm Nafi. I'm based in the UK and a mom of 3.
Hi, my name is Eliana. I'm originally from Ghana and I'm based here in UK. I'm a charity trustee and a pastor.
I'm Adiola, a Christian, a mom of 2 beautiful girls and a Nigerian.
Hi, my name is Lisa. I am originally from Ghana. I am currently based here in Norway and I am an associate nurse by profession.
Hi guys, my name is Cheka. I'm a mom of 2 by professional. I'm a social worker and a proud digital business owner. I live in South Australia. I'm originally from Congo.
I'm Amma. I'm based in the UK. I'm a mum and carer and I work in the public sector.
I joined this business because I was tired of building somebody else's empire. I wanted to build my own legacy and spend much quality time at my golden age. I wanted to also retire as early as possible. So I took control of my life to secure my future.
I joined this business because I wanted a passive income to supplement my family, and as a new mom, I didn't want to miss any special moments with my baby and also to have time freedom.
The reason I started this business was because I wanted to have the flexibility to control my schedule and earnings while also ensuring I could spend more quality time with my aging mom and pursue my dreams.
The reason why I started an online business, I wanted to take back control of my life. I wanted to take back control of my earnings, and I just wanted to live a life of freedom and purpose.
I joined this business because I needed the time freedom. I've got 2 young children. I didn't want to miss their key milestones. One of my children has got special needs, and I also needed the multiple streams of income to be able to support my orphans and widows around the world.
I joined this business because I was burned out from overworking, so I needed time and financial freedom and also to diversify my income.
I decided to become a digital business owner because I wanted a way where I could earn that didn't involve sacrificing family over finances.
I decided to start my digital business because of my 2 beautiful toddlers after I struggled for 11 years to conceive.
I joined this business because I want early retirement, financial freedom, quality time with family, and travel around.
This business because I want to be able to schedule my time around my family.